Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are starting chapter number 8, Environmental Pollution. We are living in an industrial era. We can see enormous amount of technological development around us. That are factories, new vehicles and many new ways of living. However, the advancement of new technology is causing a lot of pollution in the environment. This has made our environment unclean and unhealthy. What is pollution? When the harmful substances are released into the environment, whether land, air or water, they cause extensive damage to the environment. This is referred to as pollution, and the harmful substances are called pollutants. The cause of pollution is too much use of natural resources. Like we are cutting down the forests and trees to fulfill our needs. Paper is made from the trees. The cutting down of trees is causing the rise of temperature. The main cause of pollution includes smoke and poisonous gases from industries and factories. Poor disposal of waste products from homes and industries. Burning of fuels in the cities and producing lot of smoke and noise. Mining releases lot of dust and smoke in the environment. Pollution not just causes several diseases but also endangers the overall existence of living things by damaging the ecosystem. Types of pollution. Pollution can be of various types depending upon the different types of pollutants present in it. The main types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, soil or land pollution, noise pollution, that is sound pollution. Let us learn about these pollution in detail. Air pollution. Nowadays, every individual is facing problem caused by air pollution. Air becomes polluted when toxic and undesirable substances are released into the atmosphere, like harmful gases, dust, smoke, etc. This affects the health and well-being of all those who breathe this infected air. Causes of air pollution. Emission of harmful gases caused due to industrial and manufacturing activities. Natural phenomena such as volcano eruption and wildfires which release pollutants such as smoke and soot. In villages, farmers burn dry agricultural waste in fields, while in towns and cities, people often burn plastics, rubber, garbage and old tires, thereby releasing pollutants into the air. Gases emitted due to burning of fossil fuels in vehicles. Greenhouse gases released by thermal power plants. Let us see the effects of air pollution. Effects on human beings. Air pollution causes headache, dizziness, nasal irritation, lung diseases and many more. Also, smog, that is smoke plus fog, which is very harmful for humans. It causes low production of vitamin D, lung cancer, eye irritation, asthma attacks, coughing, throat infection, heart attack. Effects of air pollution on plants. It causes damage to trees, vegetables, fruits and flowers. Fluoride is very dangerous for plants. Air pollution brings acid rain which falls along with the rainwater, destroying the leaves of the plants and together with the quality of vegetation and aquatic life. Effects of air pollution on animals. Animals face breathing problem, skin infections and many other diseases due to air pollution. Effects of air pollution on atmosphere. Effect on ozone layer, greenhouse effect, global warming, etc. The temperature is rising and ozone hole is depleting are some of the problems which have attracted the attention of the world scientists. We should take proper steps to control air pollution. Steps to control air pollution are: we should use public transport. For short distances, use bicycle or go by walking. Switch off the lights, fans, refrigerators and other appliances when not in use. Always recycle and reuse the resources. Remember to carry paper bags and minimize the use of plastic bags. Plant trees as much as possible. Water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful chemicals or other particles enter into water bodies such as rivers, ponds, lakes, seas or oceans and so on. Gets dissolved in them, lies suspended in the water or gets deposited on the bed, resulting in the degradation of the quality of water. Not only does this harm our aquatic ecosystems, but the pollutants also reach the groundwater, which might end up in our houses as contaminated water we use in our daily activities, including drinking. But the most crucial question is, what causes water pollution? Well, sometimes water pollution can occur due to natural activities such as volcano eruptions, animals' wastes, algae blooms and residue from storms and floods. Not only that, everyday sewage and sometimes even garbage from cities are dumped into water bodies, which results in polluting the water tremendously. Other factors that can lead to water pollution are pollution from oil spills, fossil fuel combustion, and chemical fertilizers and pesticides used by the farmers. Factory wastes and residues dumped into nearby water bodies. Domestic activities like bathing, washing utensils, clothes and animals pollute water bodies, and all these factors eventually damage the environment and threatening life on earth. Effects of water pollution. It is harmful for both the plants and animals. Waterborne diseases like jaundice, typhoid, cholera, hepatitis are caused due to the consumption of contaminated water. Now we are winding up the chapter. Further chapter we will be doing in the next video. Let us revise what we have studied today in chapter number 8, Environmental Pollution. Today we have studied that environment is formed by the things that surround us. The harmful change brought in the environment by natural and human activities is called pollution. Different types of pollution are air pollution, water pollution, land or soil pollution, and noise pollution. The recent form of pollution is photo or light pollution. Air pollution may cause many diseases in human beings. Industrial effluents and household wastes are the main causes of water pollution. I hope you have understood the chapter. Do the reading of the chapter and complete your written work of exercises, question answers and worksheet. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.